Hi friends, welcome back my channel. What is switch mode power supply? How it works? Which circuit included in switch mode power supply? If you want to know all this information, then watch this video. Let's learn for better understand. Switch mode power supply is also known as SMPS. First we see what is power supply. Power supply is the unit which works on available source like AC or DC and which feeds the supply to the equipment according to the requirement. So first we see what is SMPS. SMPS is the power supply which produce DC output with some switching action. Means this power supply produce the output voltage by some switching action. Next we see which main circuits required in SMPS. The first circuit is rectifier circuit. The function of rectifier is to convert AC supply into DC. This rectifier may be full wave rectifier, bridge rectifier or half wave rectifier. But mostly the bridge rectifier is used in SMPS. Second circuit is filter circuit. The filter circuit converts the output of rectifier which includes the AC ripples. This output converts into pure DC by using the filter circuit. The main component of filter circuit is inductor or capacitor. The next circuit is switching circuit. Switching circuit may be the power component like a transistor or MOSFET or FET. This power component used as a switch in switch mode power supply. The fourth circuit is feedback circuit. The feedback circuit is most important circuit of SMPS. Feedback circuit provides the feedback of output to the input so that if the output is increases, then the input goes low, and if the output is goes low, then input is goes high according to the feedback voltage. So this is the four circuits included in SMPS. Okay, next we see the detailed power supply of SMPS. This is the block diagram of SMPS. The first circuit is rectifier. The rectifier converts mains AC supply into DC. But this DC supply may have some AC ripples. These AC ripples these AC ripples are recovered by the filter. The filter circuit converts the impure DC into pure DC. This filter circuit grounds the AC ripples and provide the pure DC to the switch. The switching action converts the DC supply into AC, and again this AC supply is stepped down by the transformer according to the load requirement. So this step down AC is again converted into DC supply by using the rectifier circuit. This output of rectifier have some AC ripples is bypassed by the filter circuit. In this way, in SMPS, the voltage is converted two times. So SMPS is also called as a DC to DC converter. The next circuitry in SMPS is the feedback circuit. The output sensor sends the output voltage of SMPS and is compared with the reference voltage and is compared by op-amp. Then the error voltage is given to the pulse width modulation circuit, and pulse width modulation circuit provides the clock signal to the switch. So according to this feedback, the output voltage is controlled. So this switch is very important in SMPS. I hope you understand how SMPS actually works and how the switch is important in SMPS. I hope you understand how SMPS works. Please comment me which power supply you like most, SMPS or linear power supply. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this.